Hello everyone, this is Amrit Kaur. Today we learn about back pain, which doctors call lumbar spondylosis, and also learn how yoga helps in relieving us of this pain. So first of all, we will know how this pain happens. This pain may be age related, or it may be due to our sitting, standing, walking posture, or it may be due to some injury, or it may also be chronic. When the pain is age related, then what happens is, because our bones, they lose moisture as we advance in age. Same is true for our vertebral column. The vertebrae of our back of the this lower back, lumbar region, when they lose moisture, then they shrink and press upon the surrounding nerves, and that pressing sensation, it causes pain in the related muscular system. In those cases where the pain is shooting and it is causing numbness or paralysis in some cases, then this is due to some injury, or it may be chronic, birth related. In those cases, it is not only the shrinkage, it is the dislocation of the vertebrae from its position, as much as that the cord, spinal cord passing through these holes of these vertebrae, it gets stressed upon, and that causes more pain. In some cases, the patient has to be hospitalized and then put in. Again, they also give the stretches only, but that is more painful. So these stretches which I will be teaching today are for the normal pain and for those who can manage to do this. And it is not that you have to do all the stretches. Those who are having pain, they can choose the stretch which most suits them and then do it. The only thing that has to be taken care of is that you have to do these stretches mindfully. Don't do this mechanically, because this portion is very sensitive. If you are doing it mindfully, you will know how much stretch you have to put on your organ, and you will stop. So let us start with the yoga stretches. So first of all, I will teach you the stretches which are done by lying on your back. You lie down on your back, take a deep breath, take it out, be mindful. You will better do it if you can keep your eyes closed, because in that case you can stay more mindful. Now take a deep breath and try to raise both your legs up, your feet, your toes pointed and stretched away from you, your heels towards you and straight like this. The angle has to be from 45 to 60 degrees, not a big angle. This puts a very comfortable stretch on the lumbar region. Here you count 10 and then bring those down. You can do it 10 times. Again do it, count 10 and bring it down like this. Again do it, count 10 and bring it down. So this is one stretch. Now this stretch you can, it's another variant is just put your hands like this and just pick one leg at a time. Same way, count 10, bring it down. Another leg, make sure your toes are stretched. Your knee is stretched. And count 10, bring it down like this. So, another stretch is, now we will raise our torso as well as our legs from the hips. This part of the body will only be on the ground. And our hands will also support us and balance our body like this. Like this. Here again you count 10. And you can do it dynamically also like this. This. In this dynamic, breathe in when you go back, breathe out, come. Like this. Do it 10 times. Like this. You can do rocking. You can do rocking or you just do it like this and count 10, go back. Again do it, count 10, go back. 10 times at least. So again I am telling you can choose any of these. The next one is bring your heels to your nearest to your thighs. Now hold your ankles with your hands. With the help of your elbows, take your stomach part, your hips up so that the weight of your body rests on your shoulders and your elbows and the back of the head only. Here again you count 10, bring down. Make it dynamic. Again go up, count 10, come down. Now, the one thing which has to be kept in mind is when you go down, again count 10. Don't do it like this, no. Count 10, go up. Count 10, go down. Count 10, go up. So, you can do it 10 times. If you even doing only this exercise also helps a lot. The other one is happy child. For this, what we do is we take our legs up like this, and then from within we hold our legs and try to. Now, what you do is try to spread your legs from your heels like this. Like this. Now count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again bring them down. Again then. Like this. Bring them here. Do it like this. So you can, this one also can be done 10 times. Another one. Now we lie on our belly. Lie on your belly, lie down. And here also. Now try to pick both your legs and hands like this. Your feet joined, hands up, straight, your neck and head. And count 10, go down. Here again count 10 and go up. Count 10, go down. Count 10, go up. Count 10 and go down. This again you can do 10 times. 10 is maximum. You can do lesser also as per your capacity and capability. Another one is sit with your soles join together, interlock your fingers and bring your toes within the interlocked fingers here. Take a deep breath and try to push your knees down towards the earth like this, and straighten up your back like this. Count 10, release the pose and release the breath. Again, count 10, release the breath, release the pose. Here again count 10, again do it, release the breath, release the pose. So these are the stretches which will help in your management and control of the pain in your lower back. Now, I will teach you a little mindful lifestyle change also. One is, don't let your tummy bulge out, because if your tummy bulges out, this part of your vertebral column, it already naturally it has a small curve, a very beautiful graceful curve like this. But if your tummy bulges out, the tummy will take it away like this. It will go like this, and then I don't know how this will happen. This will be putting a lot of stretch, and this will get very weakened, and this is bound to happen then. But don't let, if your tummy is too much bulging out, try to do some exercises, and this one which I am going to tell you, which will help to reduce your tummy also. One is, when you are sitting, working, you are walking, you are working anywhere, you are standing, sitting, lying down, whatever you are doing, just remember, oh, okay. Now what you do is, you take your breath out and your lower part below navel, tummy inside like that. Same time, take your vertebral column up, breath out, count 10, release, take a deep breath. Again breathe out, tummy inside, diaphragm up, breath is out, and you are straight. So do it as many times as you remember to do. So this will help. This will strengthen the muscles here. It will strengthen the bones here, because they will be getting more nutrients when you will do this mindfully. So those who are having pain will be benefited by relieving their pain, and those who are not having the pain, they will be benefited by strengthening their vertebral column and this part, so that they don't develop this pain in future. And if